In a kitchen touched by starlight, baby Emma watched from her magical floating cradle as her brothers discovered a glowing recipe book. Golden letters danced across its pages, and a wise owl with luminous amber eyes perched nearby, ready to guide them. 2-year-old Oliver eagerly grabbed shimmering flour, spilling rainbow dust everywhere. 3-year-old Noah poured sparkling milk before reading the next step, creating a puddle of liquid moonbeams. 5-year-old Liam wanted to add everything at once, making the cauldron bubble with chaotic purple smoke. The enchanted kitchen grew dim as their magical pancakes turned into glowing, inedible rocks. Emma giggled softly as iridescent tears rolled down her brother's cheeks. The gentle owl hooted melodiously, "Try again, little chefs. Let the golden words guide you." This time, Liam read each step aloud as aurora lights swirled around them. Oliver carefully measured ingredients that sparkled like fairy dust. Noah waited patiently for each instruction, his eyes reflecting the cookbook's warm glow. Together, they created perfect pancakes that floated like golden clouds, surrounded by dancing butterflies trailing sparkles. Emma clapped her tiny hands as crystalline chimes filled the air. And so the children discovered that following directions carefully creates the most magical results of all.